Hi, this is Gary with MACMOST.com. Here's the correct way to record the screen on your Mac. So if you are ever asked by somebody to record your screen, perhaps to get tech support, don't hold up your iPhone and record it with the camera. Instead, on your Mac, hold down Command, Shift, and then 5. This brings up the screen recording controls here. Select this button here for recording the entire screen. Under Options, check to see where this screen recording will be saved to. You can always choose any location you like. Also, look to see if Show Floating Thumbnail is checked. And then you'll see this icon here indicating that you're now recording the screen. Perform the action that you want to record, and then when you're done, click here again and it'll stop recording and appear as a floating thumbnail at the bottom right. You can click that to review it and even trim the footage. When you click Done, it will appear in the location that you specified, in this case the desktop. You could also have just waited a few seconds for the floating thumbnail to disappear and it would automatically save here. Now you've got a video file that you can post online or share with somebody.